Timeless concepts from Physics Helpline. In this video tutorial, we will discuss an integer type question taken from JEE Main exam of 2023. The question is based on equation of continuity for the flow of liquid. Read the question carefully. The surface of water in a water tank of cross-sectional area 750 centimeters square on the top of a house is h meters above the tap level. The speed of water coming out through the tap of cross-section area 500 square is 30 centimeters per second. At what instant dH by dt is at that instant dH by dt is x into 10 to the power minus 3 meters per second. The value of x will be dash. We are required to fill in this blank with an integer. Now for the solution. First of all, let us understand the equation of continuity for the flow of liquids. Consider the flow of liquid across two different cross-sectional areas A1 and A2. A1 is the cross-sectional area at P and A2 is the cross-sectional area at Q. Because the liquid is incompressible, the volume of liquid flowing across A1 will be equal to the volume of liquid flowing across A2 in a given interval of time. Let us mark this time as dt. We can write V1 is equal to V2, where V1 is the volume of liquid flowing through the cross-sectional area A1 in time dt. Similarly, V2 is the volume of liquid flowing through the cross-sectional area A2 in the same time interval dt. Now V1 is equal to A1 into dx1, where A1 is the cross-sectional area at point P and dx1 is the distance moved by the fluid column at A1 in time dt. Similarly, V2 is equal to A2 into dx2, where A2 is the area of cross-section at point Q and dx2 is the distance moved by the fluid, by the liquid in time dt. Therefore, dividing both sides of the equation by dt, we get A1 into V1, because dx1 by dt is the speed of flow of liquid at cross-section area A1. RHS will be equal to A2 into V2, where V2 is the corresponding velocity of flow, speed of flow of the fluid at the cross-section A2 at the point Q. So this is the equation of continuity of fluid flow. Now it is given in the question that A1 is equal to 750 centimeters square, which is equal to 750 into 10 to the power minus 4 meters square, and A2 is equal to 500 square, which is equal to 500 into 10 to the power minus 6 meters square, which can be simplified to 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meters square. It is also given that velocity of flow at the second section A2, cross section A2, V2 is equal to 30 centimeters per second, which is equal to 30 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters per second. Putting these values, we get, in this equation we get 750 into 10 to the power minus 4 into V1 should be equal to, A2 is 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 into 30 into 10 to the power minus 2. 10 to the power minus 4 can be cancelled from both sides. Now 5 by 750 can be simplified to 1 by 150, cancelling 5 throughout, into 30 into 10 to the power minus 2. That means 30 by 150, we can still write is equal to 30 by 15 into 10 to the power minus 3, which is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. It is given in the question that ds by dt should be equal to x into, if this is equal to x into 10 to the power minus 3 meters per second, which implies x is equal to 2, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, we need to fill in this blank with the integer 2. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching.